We got hot ass pepper, bell pepper, whatever the fuck it is, pepper, and an onion. And I'm about to cut all this shit up. So I just cut up this orange pepper. Now, I don't really eat this shit, but I'm pretty sure it adds a flavor. But to me, it makes everything look pretty. Like, do you ever just want to eat a flower because it looks pretty? That's what this is. Some chili powder for that motherfucker.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. Let it swing my way. I just need good. Please don't get in feelings. Dig with no complications. Don't want nobody on you. If that body ain't me, yeah. Love it when you talking shit like you forgot that in about 2 or 3 shots. I ain't gonna.
I like my chili like I like my women. Thick as fuck. So I add this fucking tomato paste into it. It'll make the fucking chili thick. Carry that motherfucker in there. Oh, another thing I add is hot sauce, and I add some chili cheese Fritos. And take one of these cheddar strips, slide that bitch inside. Add some cheddar cheese on top of that bitch. Alright, now this motherfucker is done. And all pretty and shit. I put a little bit too much onions on there, but fuck it.